What's up, outsiders? Do you want to learn how to make a sandbag for less than $20? Stick around. Recently, I've been looking at a bunch of fitness programs that require a sandbag. SealFIT, Mountain Tactical Institute, MTNTough, all of those guys do a bunch of exercises with sandbags. So I looked on the internet. You can pick a sandbag up for, $50-60 for a canvas one. So I thought, well, maybe I can make one for even cheaper. So I went to Lowe's, checked out the prices for some duct tape, pea gravel, and heavy-duty garbage bags. And it turns out I can make two sandbags, one 40 pounds, one 60 pounds, for about $25. For the materials, I went to Lowe's and picked up all these materials for about $25. What I ended up picking up was a half cubic foot of pea gravel, 2 bags, so a full cubic foot. Each cubic foot is about 96 pounds, depending on what size sandbag you want to make. I'm hoping to make two, one of 40 pounds, one's at 60 pounds, so I'm going to make up that 4 extra pounds using some gravel that I have in my backyard. I also picked up the contractor pack of 3M's Tough duct tape. There's 2 rolls in here. And then what you're going to want to get is some heavy-duty bag to put your pea gravel in to actually make the structure of your sandbag. I got these Glad Pro Project, holds up to 200 pounds. These are the 3 mil, 42 gallon capacity. 5 bags was, I think, about $6. So all in all, I think I have enough materials here to make 2 sandbags, one 60 pounds and one 40 pounds. Okay, so I've measured out my pea gravel. I have 60 pounds in this bin, and I've opened up the bag. I'm going to try to get my sandbag to be about that big, maybe shoulder width. So I'm going to fill this up with the pea gravel and then shape the sandbag to the size and dimensions I really want it to be. This type of garbage bag is really good. It's very thick. Once you have your pea gravel in your bag, now it's time to actually shape the bag to the size and shape dimensions you actually want your sandbag to be. So I'm going to just lay this out to the size of the bag. And actually that's going to be a pretty good size. You can see it's just a little bit bigger than shoulder width. I'm going to try to craft a couple handles on here with duct tape. So I think this will actually be a pretty good size. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to roll this into shape. Once you have the shape of the bag, you're going to just keep rolling it up. And then what I'm going to do is just seal this up with a quick couple pieces of duct tape, and then we'll proceed with really wrapping it. And when you're packing this, you don't want it to be super solid because you want it to act like a sandbag and kind of give. So when you're throwing it on your shoulder, you're not like throwing a ton of bricks on your shoulder. So I think that'll work. I'm going to continue wrapping this, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, the sandbag is complete. You can see 60 pounds, pretty good. Pretty durable. What I ended up doing was wrapping the duct tape twice around. I did that both on the tops and around. On the top I went one direction, the other direction, and then wrapped it around. Put 2 layers on here, and then what I did was make some straps out of duct tape. I took a length of duct tape, folded it in half, so it was 2 layers of duct tape, and then I wrapped that around to make these handles. The handle actually goes all the way around here, taped it in, and we're ready to go. So here is a 60-pound sandbag that can be used in your rucksack for training, for sandbag get-ups, or whatever other exercises you want to do. If you like this video, be sure to click that like button. If you want to see other outdoor how-to videos or outdoor adventure videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. That's it for now. I'll see you guys outside.